Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to create article to video in Pictory AI. So click on the link in my description and sign up to Pictory and use referral code workout55 to get 20% off of your subscription. So first thing you need to do is copy and paste the URL of your article right here. So go over to some article. As you can see, I have these best phone brands for 2023. And press Command C, go over to Pictory and press Command V right here. Then click on Proceed. And as you can see right here, the project name will appear. And here is your source article. So it will copy and paste the whole article. And as you can see, this green highlighted text is the text that will be in the video actually. So you can choose if you want to pick, for example, this one. You can click on it and now it will add to your article, as you can see. And you can click on it again if you want to remove it from the video. So when you are done adjusting what will be in the video from your article, then as you can see, here is AI powered summary of scenes. So scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 and so forth. And it will type basically I have 9 scenes in here and then click on next. Here you can choose your template, which one you like to the best. So I really like, I really like this one and I think it fits the article as well. So click on select and then choose aspect ratio. So you can choose landscape, portrait or square. I will choose landscape for this one, so 16:9 and continue. Then as you can see, your scenes have moved right here to the left and you can still edit them if you want to. And here on the right, you have your video. So you can preview it by clicking this preview button. You can preview individual scenes like this. You can even change the music right here in the audio and background music. So if you don't like the one that it have picked for you, you can choose different one by clicking apply next to any music you like. Then you can choose voiceover and you can do your own voiceover by here adding record voiceover or upload voiceover, or you can choose this AI voiceovers, whatever you like. So let's say I like
Welcome to Pictory.
This one.
It has been shown that video increases.
Click on apply right here. And then as you can see, when I preview it.
Top 5 best mobile phone brands in 2022 ranked.
So this is how simple it is to create a video in Pictory, guys. If you want to download it, then click download and video right here. And wait while it processes and generates. And as you can see, your video is now ready. So in order to get to video, you have to click on this download button, wait while it downloads. So as you can see, you can create beautiful videos just with AI nowadays. I will show you how it looks. This is the video.
Top 5 best mobile phone brands in 2022 ranked. In our mind, Samsung is the best phone brand you can choose in 2022. It produces excellent phones across a range of prices and has even managed to improve its lackluster record of software updates. Of course, while individual phone models are important, picking the right phone brand will help you get a long-term insight into how your phone will be supported in the years to come. Samsung. There's a Samsung for everyone, from the bargain basement M series and the excellent mid-range A series to the flagship S and Note series. Apple. The iPhones are almost unmatched when it comes to hardware quality, and the company continues to set the benchmark for design. Google. Google's expanding phone lineup covers everything from flagships to exceptional and affordable handsets. OnePlus continues to offer flagship features at mid-range prices, with high-end functionality, top-quality performance, and impressive hardware. Motorola. It isn't 2006 anymore, but Motorola still knows how to knock out a top-quality mid-range phone.
So this is how you create a video with Pictory AI just by using an article. Don't forget to click in the link in the description to sign up for Pictory AI and use promo code workout55 at checkout. Get 20% off of your subscription. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.